Imagine divine energy like a lightning bolt, but instead of striking the ground in an instant, it descends slowly through 4 mysterious realms, transforming at each level until it reaches you, right here, right now. If the Sefirot are God's attributes, how do they actually bridge the infinite gap between heaven and earth? Kabbalah reveals the answer. A cosmic ladder of 4 worlds that channel divine light step by step into our reality. Today, we climb that ladder together. Welcome back, and this is our journey through the mysteries of Kabbalah. Last time, we explored the Sefirot, those 10 divine qualities that shape all existence. But here's the question that kept mystics awake at night. These divine qualities don't just float somewhere in the heavens, they have to reach us, our thoughts, our prayers, our daily struggles. So how does infinite light become the strength you need to get through the day? The answer lies in 4 mystical realms: Atzilut, Beriah, Yetzirah, and Asiyah. By the end of this video, you'll see how every prayer you whisper and every kind act you perform echoes across the entire chain of creation. Why do the 4 worlds matter? Because the Sefirot don't exist in a vacuum. They manifest through layers of spiritual reality, like a radio signal that gets clearer and more specific as it moves through different frequencies. Think of it this way. When an architect designs a building, the idea starts as pure inspiration, becomes a vision, then detailed blueprints, and finally concrete and steel. The 4 worlds work the same way with divine energy. Genesis itself reflects this step-by-step descent. When it says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth," it's not just talking about matter appearing from nothing, it's describing the unfolding of spirit into form through these 4 cosmic levels. But what does each world actually do? Let's climb the ladder, starting from the top. First, Atzilut, the world of emanation. The Hebrew word means closeness or nearness, and here's why. In Atzilut, there's no separation between God and divine light. It's pure, undivided infinity. When Moses asks God for his name and receives the answer, "I am that I am," Exodus 3:14, that's Atzilut speaking. Pure being, pure intention, beyond all categories. Have you ever had a moment in prayer or meditation where you forgot yourself completely, where time disappeared and you touched something vast and eternal? That's your soul brushing against Atzilut, the world where divine light shines without any filters. But this pure light is too intense for anything below to receive directly, which brings us to the first filter. Next comes Beriah, meaning creation from nothing. This is where something revolutionary happens. For the first time, creator and creation become distinct. In the beginning, God created. Genesis 1:1, that moment describes this very stage. Beriah is the world of the soul, where divine ideas take their first independent form, like an architect's initial sketch that's not yet built but fully envisioned. Here's what's fascinating. Your highest thoughts, your moments of pure understanding, your deepest intuitions about truth, they're all born in Beriah. This is where the divine blueprint for your soul was drawn. But ideas need structure to become real. So the divine light continues its descent. Then comes Yetzirah, the world of formation. Genesis 2:7 captures this perfectly. "And the Lord God formed man from the dust of the ground." This is where raw spiritual energy gets shaped and structured. Yetzirah is the realm of angels, emotions, and all the forces that give energy its particular character. Think of it as the construction phase. The blueprints from Beriah are now being built, but they're still spiritual, not yet physical. Your prayers live in Yetzirah. Your love, your fear, your hope, your anger, they're all being formed here, given shape and direction before they impact the physical world. Ever wonder why your emotions feel so powerful? Because they're literally angels, messengers carrying divine energy from the higher worlds down to earth. But there's one more step before this energy reaches your daily life. Finally, we reach Asiyah, the world of action, or literally making. This is our physical reality where all that divine energy crystallizes into earth, water, body, and deed. Genesis 2:3 speaks of everything which God created and made. That word made is Asiyah. The spiritual blueprint has traveled through all 4 worlds and finally become something you can touch, taste, and transform. Here's the profound part. Every good deed you perform, every act of kindness you choose, every word of truth you speak, you are literally drawing divine light from Atzilut through Beriah and Yetzirah into Asiyah. You're completing the cosmic circuit. That small flame you light, it carries the echo of infinite light through all 4 worlds. Let's quickly climb our ladder again. Atzilut, pure divine light, no separation from God. Beriah, first distinction, world of the soul and divine ideas. Yetzirah, formation through emotions and spiritual forces. Asiyah, physical action where divine energy becomes real. Each world receives light from above and passes it down below, like a cosmic relay race that ends in your living room. Now here's how to use this in your daily life. Try this 4 worlds meditation. Morning intention, Atzilut. Before getting out of bed, spend 30 seconds connecting to something infinite. Feel yourself part of something vast and eternal. Study or reflection, Beriah. During the day, seek 1 moment of genuine understanding. Read something meaningful. Contemplate a truth that matters to you. Emotional check-in, Yetzirah. Notice your feelings. Instead of being overwhelmed by them, see them as messengers. What are they trying to form in your life? Purposeful action, Asiyah. Before bed, choose 1 concrete deed. Call someone you love, give charity, perform any act of kindness. Know that you're completing a circuit from heaven to earth. Try it for 1 week. You might be surprised how aware you become of the divine energy flowing through every level of your existence.